To be able to swipe for split screen on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to scroll down and we need to go to Advanced Features. Over here in Advanced Features, we should be able to go to the multi-window option, and then in here we have Swipe for split screen, which we can easily enable or disable. And besides that, we can tap on the option itself in order to find out how to use it. So we can use 2 fingers from the bottom of the screen in the portrait view or from the side of the screen in landscape view in order to activate the split screen. So now as I am in settings, I can use 2 fingers and swipe up just like that. And then we can choose whichever app we want to open in addition to that. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like, I don't know, like Instagram, for example. And there we go. Now I can use 2 apps at the same time, of course. I can also tap on these dots that I have in the middle in order to switch the position between these 2 apps. I can also drag by using these dots in order to change the ratio or the split. And also we have this line at the top of each app that contains additional options. You can of course swipe all the way up or all the way down in order to return to the full screen view. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.